All right, today I'm out here grilling some cheeseburgers for lunch, and I got the latest from Mr. Chris Pickle. Not even labeled yet. These aren't even out to the public. They're not available yet. They're still in the making. But these are his new spicy Fresno chili mango pickle. And I tried them in the kitchen when he was making these the other day, and they were fucking phenomenal. So he gave me some to take home and showed me how you do it. So we're gonna pop this seal and get these opened up. This ain't no shortcut pickle. I mean, this is a nice thick sliced, crispy pickle with the Fresno chili pepper and fresh sliced cubed mango. And when you order these from him, you're gonna get your own little small bottle of Tajín. But he didn't have them. I have my own. So I'm gonna sprinkle on. I haven't tried it this way, but this is his recommended way. So I'm gonna sprinkle that right there with some Tajín. And give it a try. Huh. That's a hot ass Fresno. Now you're obviously not gonna get the Fresno pepper for every pickle. So you gotta eat them sparingly, but you can still Tajín every single pickle slice. You got that chili lime, the sweet heat flavor. These are a 10 out of 10. I don't even like pickles that much. This is a win. Follow Mr. Chris Pickle. When you see these go online, you better order them because they're not gonna last long.